In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a site on Google Sites fast and easy. If you've ever needed a duplicate of your website, whether for backup, editing, or transferring content elsewhere, you know the importance of an efficient process. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, type Google Sites. Once the search results appear, click on the official Google Sites link. This will take you directly to the Google Sites homepage where you'll have access to all your existing websites. Once you've landed on Google Sites, you need to choose the site you wish to copy. Look through your available projects. They should be displayed prominently on the dashboard. As you locate the site, simply click on it. This will open the site, allowing you access to various settings and options. Now that you have your site open, look to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll find an icon with 3 stacked dots, representing the Options menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down list of further actions you can take. These dots are a universal symbol across many applications, signaling additional settings or options, so they're useful to remember. From the drop-down menu, you'll find an option labeled Make a Copy. Click on this option. By doing this, you initiate the process of creating an exact duplicate of your site. It's a simple yet effective way to replicate all of your hard work, layout, and content without starting over from scratch. After clicking Make a Copy, a new dialog box will appear. It will prompt you to name your new site copy. This is your opportunity to differentiate between the original and the duplicate, ensuring you remember which is which in the future. Enter a name that clearly signifies this copy from the original. A location option might also be available, where you can specify where you want the site copy to be saved within your drive structure. Finally, once you're satisfied with your name choice and location, confirm your selections by clicking the OK button. This action will conclude the copying process, and you'll see the new site appear back on your Google Sites homepage shortly thereafter. It's as simple as that. Congratulations! You now know how to efficiently copy a site on Google Sites. Whether you're using this for backups, rebranding, or any other purpose, this tool is a fantastic way to ensure you have all your bases covered without having to start from scratch. Thank you for watching, and happy site copying!